All right, problem 7 from chapter 8 talks about measures of central tendency. So we were given some data, Mark's scores on the first 9 assignments that he had done. I just went through and rewrote them and was putting them into order from least to greatest. Not a bad idea if we need to find the median, which is the number that's in the middle of the data. So what's his middle score? Not his highest, not his lowest, so what's in the middle? That's what I did first. And how I do that is I start by eliminating the ones on the ends. So I go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. And I'm left with 2 in the middle. Lucky for me, they're both 9s. And so what's right in the middle of 9? Well, it's just 9. 9 is the median. 9 is the median. Is 9 in this case. So not his highest score is not his lowest, but his middle score. Score right in the middle is 9. Range talks about from the lowest to the highest. How many points difference was that? I guess is a good way to say that. So it's a subtraction. I'm looking for the difference. Highest score was a 10, lowest was an 8. His range is 2. He has a range of 2. So a very narrow range. He's very consistent on his work. And then what is his mean or average score so far? So I added all of these 8 scores up all together and got that in total he got 83 points. So 83 points total on those 8 assignments, or on those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 here. What didn't I do up here? Maybe I didn't get the right one. So I had 1 8, 2 8s, and then I had 1 2 3 9s, 1 2 3 9s, and I had 1 2 3 4 10s. I had 4 10s here. Let's go back and correct this. I had 4 10s. All right, so let's see here. Maybe there's only 1 in the middle then. So let's do this again. All right, be very careful, ladies and gentlemen, when you are rewriting that you get them all. There was 1 2 3 4 10s. Should have been more careful. So 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. All right, good. My median is still 9, but there's only one of them left in the middle now. So out of those 9 scores, I added up all the points and got 83 points. And then I took those 83 points and divided it by the 9 assignments. And got that he scored about, it was 9.22222 repeating. So I said he got about 9 2/10 of a point. And so did your book. This was mathematically what it works out to. But you know what? It's about 9. I doubt the teacher gives them 0.2222222 in the grade book. So that's the average. And then, so Mark didn't do the 10th assignment, so we got a 0 on it. This is an outlier for the assignment. What's his new mean? And let's take a look at how an outlier really does affect the mean, the average. So an outlier really changes it. He had an average of 9.2, and he now has an average of 8.3, 8 3/10, because he still has the same amount of points. He still has 83 points in total, but instead of dividing it by 9 assignments, he now is dividing it by 10 assignments. Whereas if I added a 0 onto here, all right, this would now be you'd have 4 lows that I canceled out and 4 highs. The median would still be 9, just in case you're interested. All right, have a good one.